The only way to discover the limits of the possible is to go beyond them into the impossible. We at Claremont International School encourage the students to become lifelong learners, as we believe that learning should be an experience that the students look forward to every day. Our aim is to create a temple of learning where a spark is ignited not just through theory but also through hands-on learning techniques. In this process, we are trying to keep our students busy even when they are at home. Their minds are sharpened and their energies channelized through various activities. Every once in a while, a new technology, an old problem, and a big idea turn into an innovation. We believe in allowing the children explore these different ways. And here, we are proudly introducing the Inspiring Innovators of Claremont International School.
The alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay. How many vowels are there in the alphabet?
5. A, E, I, O, U.
Good. How many consonants are in the alphabet?
21 consonants.
Good.
माही कौन सा कलर है वो? माही शेप कौन सा है वो?
I'm studying in the senior KG class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught the fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why do you let it go? Because it might bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Thank you.
Claremont, we learn, excel and shine.